The Peak 1000W e-bike by Funhang is equipped with a powerful brushless motor that can reach speeds of up to 25 miles per hour, making it perfect for tackling hills and off-road terrain effortlessly. With a high-capacity 48-volt, 13-ampere-hour battery, this electric bike can travel up to 60 miles on pedal assist mode, providing impressive range for long rides. Safety is prioritized with features like dual-disc brakes, a lockable suspension fork, and enhanced lighting, ensuring a smooth and secure riding experience even in dark conditions. The e-bike's robust frame and wide puncture-resistant tires offer excellent stability and traction, making it suitable for various terrains and weather conditions. It offers 5 riding modes and 7-speed gears, allowing riders to customize their experience for city commutes or mountain adventures. The bike comes mostly pre-assembled with a 12-month warranty, making it convenient for users to set up and enjoy with peace of mind.